Scarlet macaw. The scarlet macaw, also known as macaw, is one of the most stunning and iconic macaw species in the world. Known for its vibrant and colorful plumage, scarlet macaws are predominantly bright scarlet or red in color, hence their name. They have vibrant blue feathers on their wings, a yellow patch on the upper part of their wings, and a distinct white patch around their eyes and face. Their tail feathers are a combination of blue and red, and they have a strong black beak with a white patch at the base. These macaws have a long tail, which adds to their overall beauty. Scarlet macaws are native to tropical rainforests and lowland habitats of Central and South America. They are found in countries such as Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, Ecuador, Venezuela, and Peru. Scarlet macaw diet consists mainly of fruits, nuts, seeds, and occasionally some vegetation. They also love to eat insects and larvae. They are seen feeding heavily on bugs, snails, and foliage. Snails and bugs are a great source of protein, as they need additional protein during breeding seasons. The scarlet macaw can live up to 75 or even 90 years in captivity, although a more typical lifespan in wild is 50 years.